Hey my dazzlers, welcome to another review video. So now I was thinking of doing updated review video with you guys because generally what I do is when I review a product, I use it for 1 to 2 weeks. Then I share my experience with you guys. So now I was thinking of trying out the products for a longer period of time and doing another updated review video and updating you guys about how I feel about those products. So I'm going to update you guys about the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. So this one is a liquid skincare and I have never seen anything like this before. I used this the last month when it was really getting hot and I didn't want to wear any moisturizer or didn't want to apply any moisturizer after I woke up in the morning. This one is my second bottle and I already used my first one. I can't tell you how much I love the packaging of the product. The packaging looks absolutely neat and it looks chic and the consistency is just like water. It is supposed to penetrate up to 10 layers of your skin, I guess because of the consistency, I guess because of the water-like texture. It gets absorbed into the skin really well and really fast and immediately refreshes you and gives you a plump feeling. It is super unique because of its texture and is so lightweight that it leaves my skin feeling very hydrated and refreshed. Whenever you apply any other moisturizer, it always feels like you have something on your skin, but this one, when you apply it, it feels like you have nothing on it. It's just like water. Sometimes when my skin feels very oily, I don't feel like putting on any moisturizer. I just take it and tap it on my face and then move on with my primer and then the makeup. So what I do is I just use it in the mornings after washing my face and I just pour 3 to 4 drops on my palm. I don't use any cotton pads or any other tools to apply this. I just use my hands and then directly on the face and tap it all throughout the face. Then I do use a sunscreen on top of this. For oily skin people, if you don't feel like putting on moisturizer, you can use this instead of a moisturizer. If you find moisturizers to be really heavy, but my skin is combination to normal, especially during this season, so I apply a moisturizer after. It's perfect for both dry and humid weathers and the water-like texture, it makes the skin feel very hydrated and refreshed. And with continuous usage, it makes the skin plump and brings out the glow in your face. If your skin is sensitive, I would suggest you do a patch test before applying any new product. The only thing I wish was that it came in a spray bottle so that it could be sprayed on the face directly. It would have been so much more easier while traveling so that I didn't have to use my hands. This one's available in 3 sizes. I have the 65. I have the 130 ml one and it's also available in 65 ml and 22 ml. I'll leave a link in the description in case you guys want to check it out. If you have tried out this product, then do let me know how it worked for you, how your experience was. So we've come to the end of the review video. I hope you found it helpful. Do share your experience in the comment section below. I'm sure it'll be helpful for many others. So if you want me to do more updated review videos, do give this video a thumbs up and let me know. Share this video and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.